Hi guys.
Take a video of me. That's so like Kyle.
Where's Miranda?
No,
This is Nicola.
Remember in O Canada?
Yeah.
That's Kyle.
And this is Kaylee. If you didn't know who I am.
Kaylee.
Whoa.
You got my eye?
You can go hang out with them if you want.
Hey, they want us to come over there.
Hold on, I'm gonna go see the peeps. I'll go show you guys. We're at our school.
Yeah, this is
Oil Fields High School.
And the new painted oil, like the thing.
Yes.
Nice and new.
Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Nicola!
Oh, whoa!
Whoa!
What the hell? That's
Okay, look.
awesome.
I'm gonna go sneak up on it. There's a crow on Deena's lap.
Everyone's trying to hurt it. So
Hi, that's Ashley. This is Deena. There's our crow, our friend.
Shit on my leg.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Did he? Yeah, Deena the bird lady.
Oh my god! I smell like pop all over me.
Looking at
Get your sandwich and piss off. That's the way to do it.
Don't scare it. Don't scare it.
Oh my gosh, what the hell? It's not even scary, guys.
I want to pet it. Come here, bird.
Come here, birdie.
No, I'm gonna pet you.
No! It was just on Deena's lap with her, Mandy.
Don't tell anyone. He got everyone wants to come. Bird doesn't like. Ow! What the hell, man? Why the heck? Come here. We should name him. Come on.
Name him. No, name him Ralph.
You want your sandwich, pretty bird? No, pretty bird.
Ooh.
Stop.
I think we should leave it alone before it bites us.
Oh. Deena the bird lady. You like laughing on my leg.
And like shit on me too.
It was
Deena,
on
stop
her
swearing.
leg. It was like, oh my gosh.
I can see it from up there.
There's Kyle.
Uh-oh. What? Where's Kyle?
Right there, Kyle.
my lunch.
Right there, the blonde guy.
What? His name is Kyle? I
Yes.
didn't know that. I thought it was Tyler.
No.
Never mind.
Oh, there's Lauren. You're not gonna say anything like you said.
He was on my leg.
You're
Birdie, birdie.
And
birdie,
He was like on my
okay.
leg. It was scary.
Ralphie.
Riley on.
Oh! I'll get ya. I'll get ya. Keep an eye on him. Oh, it's gonna fly at me. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's gonna attack us.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Hey. Get over here. Get over here. It's a sandwich. Fred.
Good thing I have my video camera.
Yeah.
Nicola's so pretty. Nicola, I know you're pretty.
Wow. You're so pretty. Stop it being negative.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the first one. Second. Oh, there he is. $50. There's too many people.
Yeah. Here, put the thing on me. I'll tell you how. Okay, let's go. I'm sitting here right
This is
now.
how it happened, everyone.
Okay, I was sitting here with my sandwich, and all of a sudden, I opened my bag, and you're just like jumping on my bag trying to open it. And she's like, oh my god, you're trying to open it. And then so I was like, yeah. And so I had my sandwich out, and then as soon as I put my sandwich on my leg, he like landed right there. I was like,
That would be creepy.
Did you like shit on my leg? Crap all over you.
That'd be creepy.
Oh my gosh.
Bye, Keisha. Bye, Mandy.
Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.
No one
Bye.
sandwich. Birdie.
Okay.
wanna go try to
No, in a little. We should just watch this video.
We should.
Say bye.
Okay, bye. This is the end. Bye. Bye. Bye.